Wheelie Rider here again, and this video is me taking this trigger out and putting a flat trigger on my P365. Here's what you need right here from Sig Sauer, and yeah, it's about I forgot what I paid, about $40 on eBay, and still a nice quality Sig product. Now this video is more of like the looks of it before and after. This is not a installation video. I'll tell you that it was probably about 7 out of 10 for difficulty to install. You got the little parts you really need to be very careful with, and just taking apart the FCU and these arms and stuff, you just gotta be pretty gentle. I even took off this slide catch lever, and yeah, it seemed to work out pretty well. If you're looking to do it, which I'm saying, it's definitely a cool little mod between looks and trigger feel. And I would say do your research or have a gunsmith do it for you, which is usually recommended, but there's other how-to videos or other ways you can do it yourself. And here's the after. And let's just say I'm real happy with it. The price was right. It looks sweet. It feels really good. Now, other than just looks or doing another mod, out of boredom, flat triggers are known to improve accuracy, creates a nice steady platform for your finger, and just comfortable, and makes you have good finger position. So here's original P365, and then my other one here with the flat trigger, and I'd say go for it. So yeah, that's my latest little mod on my everyday carry. And yep, before and after. So I know you guys can tackle this on your own. Just please be careful. Make sure there's not one in the old go barrel, and make sure she ain't loaded. And be safe. And hopefully my little recommendation will inspire you to switch it up, try it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching again, and that's all.